Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem when you open PC health check and it says your organization manages updates on this PC. So I'm going to teach you two methods and make sure you stick till the end so you won't miss out any method. Let's get started. First open your settings and then go over to accounts and then click on access work or school. Here I don't have any account connected, but if you have any account connected or you see any account, just click on that account and then make sure you remove every other account. Once you're done, hopefully your problem solves, and if not, then we will go further on the step 2. What you have to do is again go over to your search menu and then type Windows PowerShell. Make sure you run it as administrator, and then you have to type these commands. I will tell you what commands are these. These are the commands which you have to type one by one. Just copy and paste or type, up to you. You just have to copy the first command and then paste it in PowerShell and then hit enter. Then do the same for all of them. Make sure you do this individually and make sure you do this one by one. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.